I accept it.
I wager everything I own.
I only bet on what's dearest to a man's heart. Else there's no way to tell if he's bluffing. What a man is willing to risk, or not to risk, that's a measure of his soul.
I wager 100 years of service.
No. Against your freedom.
Against my father's freedom.
Agreed.
Two threes.
You're a desperate man. What is the cause? It can only be a woman.
A woman need not cause you to be desperate. If you choose the right woman. 4 threes.
I remember now. You're the one that hopes to get married. But your fate is to be married to this ship.
I choose my own fate.
Then it wouldn't be fate, would it?
Five sixes.
Liar!
5 6.
Well done, Master Turner.
I'm free, Jones.
Another game.
You can't best the devil twice, son.
Then why are you walking away?
The stakes.
My soul. An eternity of servitude.
Against.
What was it you said about that which is dearest to a man's heart? I want this.
How do you know of the key?
That's not part of the game, is it? You can still walk away.
What's this?
I'm in, matching his wager.
No.
An eternity in service to you. I bid 3 2s.
Don't do this.
Nice cast.